Hey everyone, I'm Dave and this is my son Crazy McDoodah and
welcome to JKUCarnage!
Alright, today we're going to show you how to do some touch-up paint on here and on the Jeep itself. We got some OEM factory touch-up paint and this is how you do it. For those of you that don't know how to find the color of the paint in your car, right inside the door here on the Jeeps there is, right here it says paint PRC. Then on the paint pen it says PRC. So you know this is the firecracker red. You just match up the color you need and you are good. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to shake it up for about a minute. Get that paint nice and going. So the white tip on here is to scratch away any excess paint. I already took care of that. You also want to wipe it down with an alcohol wipe to get it all cleaned up. And then inside here there is a little paint marker. So get a test board, and once the paint starts flowing, just like going back to grade school, all you gotta do is color. For those bigger spots that are hard to get, there's actually a brush in here. You just want to use very little. On nice thin layers. And then when that dries, we'll come back and we'll put a little bit of clear coat on it. Alright, so I got some loose paint on here from where I chipped up the door, so I'm just using the white tip there to get it going, and then I'm gonna paint on some red. Okay, so while we're waiting on that paint to dry, I just want to take a minute to give a quick shout out to Amber over on Instagram. She was cool enough to send me some decals for her JKU Megatron. And if you're a child of the 80s like me, you know who this is and you gotta love this guy. And you gotta check out her Jeep. Check out her Instagram. It is at allhail_Megatron_JKU. I will put a link to that down into the description. And Amber, thank you so much for the decals. One of these days I'm going to get around to putting these decals and all the other ones onto the JK, and when I do, I will make sure to throw it up there on IG and tag you in it. Also, we're going to do a little giveaway in this video. When we hit 200 likes, we will randomly pick one person from the comments and send them a touch-up paint of their choice. All you got to do is tell us the code on your car, and we'll make sure you get one. So, like the video, then make a comment, because if you don't comment, you can't get the prize, right? So, like it, comment, and while you're doing that, you might as well subscribe and hit that bell and help us get up to 1,000 subscribers there, because it's moving quick. I never thought it would go this quick. It's crazy. But thank you everyone for watching, and let's get back to putting the clear coat on. So we started shooting this on lunch break from school. Owen's back inside doing remote learning, but it's time for the clear coat, so I am going to do my best to hold the camera and do this and try and explain it. We'll see what we can do. You can see those big white spots just kind of disappeared. So we're going to want to take the other end of the brush and put the clear lacquer on. Alright, so it's just a spongy tip, and very lightly go over the spots where you put it, and it's that easy. Alright, we put 2 coats on the red. Now we're just going to give it a little bit of clear. Alright, once that dries, it should be good to go. Not perfect, but far better than it was. Protect it from rust and with all that New England salt coming. Alright, short, easy video today. Everything we used will be an affiliate link in the description, so you can get it for yourself on Amazon, or like I told you before, there is a giveaway. So hit the like button, subscribe, make a comment, and since Owen's back in school, we're going to wrap this up quick. Thank you everyone. We'll see you next time.